property. So as I mentioned before, there are 6 different property classification. Materials determine their applicability. Mechanical properties, electrical properties, thermal properties, magnetical properties, optical properties, and degradation properties. Subatomic, atomic, microscopic, and macroscopic. On the aspect of the material science is the investigation of the relationship that exists between the structure and the properties of materials. By structure, we mean how some internal component of materials is arranged. So that we should understand the structure and property relation. For the structure, we look at the inside of a material, what happened. In terms of the dimensionality, structural elements include the subatomic, atomic, microscopic, macroscopic. So the dimension of the materials which we should observe from the small scale, subatomic, to the large scale, to the macroscopic. This dimension change is needed. So that means material science and engineer should measure the various kinds of the dimensions from the subatomic, atomic, macroscopic, and microscopic. 4 elements considered. With regard to the design, production, and utilization materials, there are 4 elements to consider. That is, processing, structure, properties, and performance. The performance of the material depends on its properties, which is a function of the structure. Furthermore, structure is determined by how material was processed. So these 4 elements, processing, structure, properties, and performance, related to each other very strongly. 3 important criteria. 3 important criteria in the material selection are in-service condition to which the material will be subject. When we use a material, so what kind of the environment, what kind of the road, what kind of the condition is subject. And degradation of material property during the operation, when we use materials, degradation behavior should be understood. And economic or cost and fabricated piece. 3 general categories: metal, ceramic, polymer, plus composites are composed at least 2 different material types. So 3 plus 1. Please remember in the material science engineering field, 3 plus 1. Metal, ceramic, polymer, and composite. And advanced material, semiconductors, biomaterials, smart materials, and nanomaterials.